Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope all of you guys are having a great day. Today I'm showing you guys how to make the best chocolate chip muffins. These are amazing. So you're gonna start by melting your butter like I've showed you in this video. Just melt it for 15 seconds. It doesn't take that long. And then take it out, let it cool aside. Put that aside whilst you deal with the dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, baking soda, and that's all you need. Okay, I forgot to show you guys that I added salt, but just adding a tiny pinch of salt just to even out the flavors. Okay, do not add too much salt. Please make sure whilst you're doing this to preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit, or like once you added all the dry ingredients, add in your chocolate chips.
Celsius,
I recommend adding them now so they don't stick to the bottom. It's okay if they do,
also, this
but
depends
you don't really want them to
on the
sink.
time of
Some of them are covered in flour already, so don't worry about it. But you want to mix them in so that way they don't sink to the bottom, and give them a very, very good whisk. Also, add in as many chocolate chips as you want. Okay, now we're doing the wet ingredients. So you have your cooled. Oh my gosh, I don't know why that was such a tongue twister. You're gonna add in your cooled melted butter, then you're gonna add in your sugar, a splash of vanilla, your milk, your eggs, and a bit of lemon juice. Not too much, just 1 tablespoon. As always, all the ingredients will be linked in the description. Okay, if you just click the description, you'll see all the ingredients, and I'm gonna try and list the ingredients in grams as well, because I know I have some gram cook bakers out there that may want to do this. So this is just there if you do want to use it. Give everything another good whisk. Now the very simple part, you're just gonna add in your wet ingredients to your dry and give everything a very, very good mix till you get this consistency. Once you've mixed everything very, very well, line a cupcake pan with 12 muffin cases and bake this in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees. Very slow, because you don't want to burn these. You want to cook them properly from the inside to out. That's why we start with a very hot oven at the start, so that way when you cook your cupcakes, you cook them at a nice low heat. After 15 to 20 minutes, this should look like this, beautiful and golden brown and soft. Guys, I promise you will not regret trying this recipe. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to share this video. Love you guys.